Step into the 2002 Ford Focus. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: engine immobilizer, bucket seats, power mirror, emergency trunk release, driver airbag, intermittent wipers, and 4-cylinder engine. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.